Hello kids, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is JP Bolado, and today I will teach you about fundamentals mate in 1. As we can see, here in this position, we have our queen, our bishop, and the opponent's king, queen, and 3 pawns. So mate in 1, it means we have to defeat the opponent's king by checking the king, and the king has nowhere square to go. For example, we have bishop here and queen. Which piece we have to use to capture this pawn to make a mate in 1? The bishop or the queen? Okay, for example, if we use this bishop to capture the f7 pawn here, question, where do the king goes? Yes, the king can move in this square. So there is no mate in 1 because the king has a square to move to get away from the check. Right? Okay, so how about this queen? Yes, if we use this queen to capture this pawn, as we can see, the king has no square to go. So that's what we call mate in 1. It means when we mate this king, we win the game. Okay? Wanna try it? And great job. Okay. In our second example, we have our knight, our pawn, and the opponent's pawn, rook, and king. So what we can do to make this king checkmated? What piece do we have to move? This pawn? What if we take this pawn? We capture it. Did the black king mate in 1 or no? No, because if we capture this pawn, eventually the king can capture that pawn or the rook can capture that pawn. Right? Yes, we can use our knight to checkmate in 1 the opponent's king. Where do we put our knight? Which square to check the king and mate in 1? Which square? How about this square? Yes or no? No. Okay, it's too far from the king. How about this square? Yes, if we put our knight in this square, as we can see, there's a checkmate in 1. How? Because the king can no longer defend itself. That's what we call mate in 1. It means in 1 move, the king will be checkmated. Okay? Now, can you move it? Wanna try it? Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, right on. Perfect. Okay, in this position, we have our queen and our rook and opponent's king, knight, and rook. Okay, how we can mate in 1 the opponent's king? Do you have an idea? which piece we can use to checkmate the king in one move. Can we move the queen or the rook? How about I put my queen here? That is a check, right? But if we put our queen in this square, the king will capture the queen, our queen. We lose our queen, so that is not the right answer. Yes, the rook is the right answer. But which square we have to put our rook? This square? Yes or no? No, that is not mate in one. The king can go here or here. Yes, we put our rook in this square. As we can see, the king can no longer move outside this square because the queen has covered all that squares. So the king can no longer go outside that square. The only square that the king can go is this square. And by putting the rook in this diagonal, in this pile, the king has checkmated. It's mate in one. Okay, wanna try it? Then, excellent. Okay, another example. Wow, we have our knight, our queen, the opponent's king, rook and bishop. So where do we put our piece to make unmate in one in the opponent's king? Which piece do we move? How about the queen? If we put our queen in this square, the king can no longer go here because of the knight, right? The king can't go here because of the queen. But if we put our queen here, the king can escape in this square. There is two squares that the king can escape. So that is not mate in one. If we check here, the king can escape here. Okay, here and here, so it's not mate in one. If we check in this square, the king can also run away to this square, and it will escape. Yes, we can use our knight. But the problem is, and the question is, where do we have to put our knight to have a mate in one? How about in this square? Yes, incorrect. Why? Because the king can move here. Okay? When we say mate in one, in just one move, we will mate the opponent's king. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. I will put this knight in this square, checking the king in one, and as we can see, the king has no squares to go. Why? Because if we put our knight here, the knight controls this square and also this square at the same time, and the queen controls this square, and this file. So the king will be mate in one. Wanna try it? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes. Okay, another example, mate in one. So we have our rook, our bishop, our knight, pawn, and bishop. The opponent's king has bishop, rook, and how many pawns? 5 pawns. So in this position, as we can see, the king has no square to go already. The king can't go here, can't go here, can't go here, and the only move we have to do is to have a move or having a check, and the king is already mate in 1. Okay? Which piece do we have to use to mate in 1 in opponent's king? In 3, 2, 1. Yes! By taking this pawn, as we see, the bishop diagonal will be opened and create uncheck in this king, and the king will be mate in 1. Okay? Wanna try it? In 3, 2, 1. Nailed it. Okay? So in this position, we have our rooks, we have our bishop, our knight, the opponent's king has a knight, bishop, rook, and a bishop. So what we can do to mate in 1 and defeat the opponent's king? Should we take this rook? Should we capture it? If we capture this rook, then what happened? The king can go here. Okay? Or the knight can block this diagonal. So there is no mate in 1 if we capture this rook. So what else can we do? How about this knight? Can we move this knight and create uncheck and has mate in 1? No. If we put our knight here, okay, and create uncheck, it's not possible because of this knight can capture our knight, right? So what should we do? Yes, we can use this bishop to capture this black bishop and checking this king, and the king can't go here because of the rooks. The king can't go here because of the knights. Okay, guarded that square, and the king also can go here because of the bishop if we capture this bishop. Okay, but the question is, if we capture this bishop, how about if the rook capture this bishop, our bishop? It can't be because our rook, as in this diagonal or in this pile, okay, as we can see, it's pinning the king. The rook can capture this bishop. Okay, I'll try it, and okay, perfect. So another example, we have our knight, knights, queen, bishop, opponent's queen, king, a pawn, bishop, rook, and 3 pawns. So which piece we have to move to mate in 1 or defeat the opponent's king? How about this bishop? If we put our bishop here and create uncheck, the king can move outside this square and escape. If we put our bishop here and create uncheck, the king can go here, or it can block this square by using this pawn, right? So I think the queen, we can use this queen to check the king, and you're good at this. Okay, stage 12 complete. Thank you.